Hello and welcome to Ribston Close, Shenley, and I'm actually here in Porters Park, and I have the pleasure to be bringing to market today, behind me here, this gorgeous 4-bedroom detached family home. Now what you have in this property is, apart from a great driveway, look at that, you can probably get at least 3, probably 4 cars on that driveway, and it's such a lovely quiet little cul-de-sac here. We have a really good sized family home. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs, one being the ensuite to the master. On the ground floor you've got a lovely size lounge which goes from front to rear, an amazing sort of modern, ultra modern kitchen diner with wonderful bifolding doors that go out into the garden, and they've actually converted the garage into a utility room with a downstairs WC. But actually that utility room, in my opinion, could possibly be made into another reception room on the ground floor. Now the current owners have lived in this house for over 20 years and they absolutely love the neighbourhood. They said they got fantastic neighbours either side, and in fact the road is so small that I'm sure you get to know everybody really well. It's lovely and quiet being a cul-de-sac. They enjoy all these fantastic walks, and as you can see at the end here you've got great countryside. I mean, it's just open fields, and I would imagine at night when you go to sleep here it would be beautiful and quiet. You would really feel like you're living in the middle of the country. Yet you're only a short drive from Radlett High Street. We're also a short drive, in fact a shorter drive, to actually Porters Park, little shopping precinct, which has got Tesco's, doctor's surgery, you've got a vet's there, there's even a nursery school there as well. We've got Shenley High Street with some really good restaurants and pubs, and really good routes. I mean, you're just a couple of minutes drive and you're really on the M25. You've also got, you're close to Coney Heath, the shopping centre there with the big M&S. So you can really get anywhere from here, absolutely anywhere at all. So if you are not familiar with this location, I really do say that you need to come and check it out. And this house ticks loads and loads of boxes, so I can't see why you wouldn't be interested. Let me take you for a look around inside. So as soon as you step out into this garden, the only thing that I can actually hear at the moment are the birds tweeting. It's a lovely day for it though. The sun's shining, and this is a very easy to maintain garden. The current owners here have put down some astroturf. If you look at the back of the house, the way it opens up completely, it looks fantastic. So that all of the bifolding doors just all open the whole back. You've got a lovely level patio there going straight into the living space, and they've got this fantastic electric awning. So to the side there of the house you've got this lovely little sort of man cave extended part here, which has got a fully sort of set up running water. You've got sinks in there, It's basically a utility room, which is absolutely ideal, and that can be actually also used as an office as well. So all in all, you've got here a great sized family home. It's presented impeccably, modern, lovely modern kitchen, beautiful modern bathrooms, great garden, good sized home, lovely quiet location. So if you're looking for a beautiful family home for your growing family, please give me a call on the number below and I'll be pleased to show you around. Thank you.